In this video, you'll get an introduction to Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus, or AMP. With AMP, you get a fully managed monitoring service that scales on demand and makes it easy to collect and query metrics from container environments using the flexible Prometheus query language you already know. To get started, let's create an AMP workspace. We can do this in a few simple clicks. We'll use this workspace to isolate access control for the ingestion, storage, and querying of our Prometheus metrics. We can use the remote write URL provided to enable our Prometheus server to send metrics to this workspace. For the purposes of this example, this configuration has already been completed. AMP automatically scales the ingestion, storage, and querying of operational metrics as workloads grow or shrink, and is integrated with AWS security services to enable fast and secure access to data. Now let's see how metrics collected in a workspace within Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus can be visualized, graphed, and queried using Amazon Managed Grafana, or AMG. For the purposes of this example, an AMG workspace has already been created. To configure Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus as a data source in Grafana, we first need to grant this workspace access to our AMP resources. Now let's navigate to the Grafana workspace to add our AMP workspace as a data source. The URL we'll enter here is our AMP workspace query endpoint. Let's switch back to AWS to copy it. We'll turn on SIG-v4 authentication. We'll also change the default region to the region our AMP workspace is in. Now let's save and test the data source. The Prometheus data source is working. We can now visualize the metrics in Grafana. Let's go back and explore the metrics. Let's query the API server's current in-flight requests. Here are the results of the query. Using Amazon Managed Grafana, you can use the monitoring data collected in AMP to create interactive data visualizations like these to quickly gain performance visibility. You've just seen an introduction to Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus. You can learn more about this topic in the description and links for this video. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to try.